What's up everybody? Today we're going to be doing these VLAND Golf R-style headlights on my Mark 6 Golf TDI. Super excited. We're going to do that. We're going to do LED headlights. We're also going to do LED fog lights. So let's check out what we got. Alright, and here they are. I was really stoked when I got these in. Super high quality. You can tell they're just going to look amazing. These are sequential turn signals. These are kind of Golf R-style running lights. So what I did go ahead and do, there's two problems with these headlights. Is a lot of people have problems with the harnesses. The pins sometimes are wrong. A lot of people can't get the daytime running lights to work without fixing this or reprogramming the car. So we're going to see if we can work through that problem. I know VLAND has come a long way with it. But the second thing is this seal right here. A lot of people have condensation problems. So what I went ahead and did is I got this GE silicone. I've used this before. It works amazing. And what I did is I went all the way around the border of the headlights. And you can see actually in a couple places, I got a bunch of silicone to fill up in there. So that's a lot of area for air and water to get in. So I think that was a good move just to get it done ahead of time. Not have to pull these things back out when they're filling up with water. So I also got LED headlights. These are H15 LED headlights off Amazon, as well as fog lights. We're going to be swapping those out. Now this kit did come with HIDs. I've ran both HIDs and LEDs, and I prefer LEDs. We'll see how that goes. See if it throws any codes on the dash. Now I did want to show you this before I package it all up. This LED bulb just fits right in here. There's a little groove and this little retainer clip snaps right over it. Now these are actually pretty nice because you can stuff all the wiring inside and you can seal this fully. So it's not like HIDs where the wires have to go through this little shroud, which thankfully, if you guys are doing HIDs, you can see there's a little pinhole or a little rubber grommet that you can fish them through. Keep them watertight. But I also did notice, I think these guys realize that they have moisture problems because far down in there is one of those little packs that keeps moisture out. There we go. See if this works first. Whoa. Oh man, that looks insane. No way. Alright, so I threw the bumper on just so you can kind of see what it's going to look like. I got both setups in there, yellow and white. Looks totally different. And it looks way, way, way better. Looks really good and I'm stoked. We'll get that other side on and call it a day. So we turn this to the on position. You can see the headlights come on and the daytime running lights come on. Now typically when you release the handbrake, the daytime running lights come on by themselves, but this is not the case with this setup. Pull it out, you can see the fog lights. Fog lights are definitely not as bright as the halogen ones, but I'm okay with that. Just the look looks so much better. Now you can see too with the headlights just how crisp that line is. Looks perfect. Now for the last function, hit the hazards. As you can see, they're sequential. Let's see what lights we have on the dash. So front right low beam, let's go the other way, front right low beam, front left low beam, daytime running light, license plate, the 2 fog lights, backup lights, the other ones that I had before. So those are the lights that will show up. Again, you'll have that little light on your dash. Again, doesn't bother me, especially when we get some nice crisp headlights. So I just want to say thank you guys again. Thank you for watching the install of this. Everything turned out perfect. I hope this was helpful for you guys. I know there's a lot of videos out there that are the old version, the new version, a lot of problems. Not a lot of problems, but this is the experience that I had. So if you guys got any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you again for watching.